Hi, in our previous video we learned how to write HTML files and also how to open it in web browsers. In this video we will try to understand different tags which are commonly used in HTML document. To start with, you can see the tags. Here I am going to discuss some essential 10 HTML tags for your reference. So start with first one, that is we are having tags called as heading tags. There are 6 heading tags starting from H1 to H6. Second one is paragraph tag, that is called as P tag, and another one is link. So wherein you can use it for linking to another web page, or anchor tag, we call it as A tag. Next one is IMG or image tag to insert images. And next, fifth one is list tag, just like how you are using bullets and numbering in your Word document. So another one is container tag, that is called as div or division tag. Next one is span. So whenever you want to write inline wrap. So another one is strong, wherein you are more going to make the text bold. BR tag to apply break in a paragraph. And another one is button tag, wherein you can insert button in your HTML document. We will see the tags one by one. Heading tags. There are 6 heading tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So you can observe the font size differs from H1 is the largest, and we can see the smallest in H6. And another tag for regular body text, which can be written inside P tag. A tag is used for linking document, that is you can link another HTML web page. You can also give a link for another website. That is what you can observe here. So A is the tag, href is the attribute wherein you can provide the URL. You can provide the address. It can be website address or it can be another HTML page address. So I'm closing the A tag here. In between whatever you are writing, that will be appearing on the web page, wherein you can click on that text. It will allow you to click on the text so that it will open the web page what you have provided in this destination, that is href. Another tag you can see, that is img tag. Img tag is nothing but we are going to insert images inside a HTML page, and src is the attribute. Inside that you can provide the file name. It can be JPEG or PNG or any other image formats. Another tag, that is unordered list and ordered list, just like bullets and numbering in a Word document. So in the first one I have given UL tag, that is unordered list, LI, that is the list items. You can have multiple list items inside one UL tag. Similarly, ordered list, inside that you can have multiple list items. So I'm opening the UL and I'm closing the UL tag, that is unordered list. In between I'm having number of list items. Another tag is division tag, which is a container tag, and it will start in a separate line, that is used for creating another block inside a HTML page. Inside division tag you can have multiple other tags. Next one is span. So it will help you to wrap the text within a paragraph. That means once you give that, it will appear in a next line in the same paragraph. And strong, that is used to make a text bold. And another one is emphasize, em tag, which will make the text italic. As we discussed, br is a tag wherein we are using it to provide a line break. One more is hr tag, that is line, horizontal line. So which will help you to create a new section in a HTML page. Coming to the last one, that is button. So you can use button tag inside the button. That is, inside the button tag you can provide the text which will appear on the button. So button does not do anything until connected to JavaScript, but you can just understand how structurally it is helpful to create the forms. Now we will take up an example of HTML page which comprise of all the tags that we discussed now. So you can see this h1 tag, I'm using welcome to my page, and another p tag, I'm writing some text. Inside that, once again I'm using some strong, and also I'm using h2. List tags are used here, unordered list. Inside the unordered list, first one I'm using some href, that is anchor tag. So here I'm not going to give any link, but if you want you can provide link to another web page or any other HTML page. Coming to the next one, I'm using HR tag, that is horizontal line. Then I'm using division tag. In this I am trying to insert image, and then I'm using a emphasize wherein it will make the text within that italic. I'm using span tag wherein it will appear in the next line in the same paragraph, and I'm using another division tag. So these are all the tags we discussed: h1, p, strong, emphasize, anchor tag, ul, list items, HR tag, division tag, img, span, break tag, and button tag. All these are used in the HTML page. Let us see how it appears on the web browser. Look at this HTML file. So there are h1 tag, p tag, h2, unordered list, list items, then image tag, and also button tag. I'll just try to open this in browser. Right click on this, open in live server. This is how you are going to get the output on a web browser. Build a mini web page using all this. Now you know how to make use of different tags in HTML. In the next video, we will learn how to make use of links and images. Did you use all the tags in your HTML document? Drop in the comments below.